You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into Bybit Pay, the fastest, secure and bankless way to send, receive and even shop with crypto. Whether you are paying a friend or buying goods online, Bybit Pay makes crypto transactions smoother than ever. Stick around, learn how it works and how you can earn rewards with their latest campaign. Bybit Pay is a P2P crypto payment system that lets you send and receive payments instantly without needing a bank. It supports multiple currencies including BTC, ETH, USDT and more, making it super convenient for everyday transactions. Best part, no complicated wallet addresses. You can send crypto with just an email, phone number or UID, super easy for beginners. Sending crypto with Bybit Pay is a breeze. Here is how it works. Open Bybit app, go to Bybit Pay section, select send and enter the recipient's email, phone number or UID. Choose the crypto and amount and then add a note. This is actually optional and then you confirm. That is it. The transaction happens in real time and the recipients get it instantly. For a full guide, check the link in the description. Share your Bybit Pay ID, email, phone number or UID with the sender. The sender sends the crypto and you will get a notification. Funds arrives in your Bybit wallet, no extra steps. No more waiting for bank approvals or dealing with high fees. Check the full guide below if you need more details. Why should you use Bybit Pay? Let's break it down. Bankless, no need for traditional banking. Real-time transactions, instant transfers, 247. One-click sending, use email, phone or UID. Multi-currency support, BTC, ETH, USDT and more. In a nutshell, Bybit Pay is a future of payment, fast, secure and decentralized. You can even shop online with Bybit Pay. Many merchants now accept crypto payments through Bybit Pay. To get started, visit the Bybit Pay merchant page. 2. Choose a store and select Pay with Crypto and complete your purchase. From gift cards to tech gadgets, Bybit makes spending crypto effortless. Do you want to earn some rewards? Bybit Pay is running an exclusive referral campaign. All you have to do is to invite your friends to use Bybit Pay and earn rewards when they complete transactions. Click the link below to join the campaign and start earning. And note that this campaign is just for a limited time, so make haste. That is it for today, guys. Bybit Pay is changing the game with fast and easy crypto payments. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on post notification so you don't miss out on more crypto tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one and peace out.